Nissan driver.
That stuff, you definitely get.
Yeah, I took me bow fishing one time.
Sun has stripped me, and I always exit dived.
Yeah, sorry, I know what people love talking about horror because most times people say, "Oh, I don't like that."
Right, that was an exit dive up there.
I like that. No, I like that. They're also for all this vacation time that I had to use, and so I was comforted by the fact that, like, oh, I have 30 skip days on I can use. I can't remember exactly the number of days I had available to me, but I would keep track of it. I was like, okay, I need to hike for 40 days, let's say. I can skip 25 days. 25 days
really,
to still be on track.
You're a moron.
That might not be making sense.
Who is a legitimate showstopper.
No stop behind me.
People from all.
Puri K, shout out to Evan, or Bike 80K, shout out to Glenn. And, you know, there's other little not official brands, but you.
There may have been a red light run over there. Red light run. Kia probably stole it. Driving like he did. Yeah, you sort of did, so I'll give you a C-. Really? No stop. Red light run. Oh shit, really? You just hit a bird. Exit dive.
About the sunken place that the white people did.
Get out.
Get out. Not to be confused with don't look up.
Exit dive.
Well, we've covered both those on my show called.
Yeah, people are ignoring that big, huge sign that I saw from a mile away to not move over. Or to move over, well, whatever. Yeah, you can't turn left into there, and there was a fire truck coming. Come on.
An article in 2008, and that I'm pretty sure it's 2008, in which he acknowledged that it was not
red light
flu
run
that was killing those people. It was a
type of bacteria. It's not genetically or closely related to influenza. Influenza is a virus, a much smaller microbe than a bacteria. They are entirely different kinds of microorganisms.
Yeah, the third signal would help.
Entirely different kinds of diseases. So look.
That was an exit dive behind me. He was going really slow for some stupid ass reason too.
There is also an element, you know, there's a protection for the Adirondack Park that people have, but there's also a lack of, like, bigger picture.
Red light run, red light run. School bus ran the frickin' red light. What the hell are you doing, douche? Just get stuck at that. Yeah, just get stuck at the next red light. No stop. PM double douche. That's like kind of an advanced exit dive Nissan driver.
To add to what you just had, that's awesome. But if it doesn't work, oh well, thanks Jonathan, and then he's got to go home. So yeah, you're right, I agree on that sense. From his side, it is a daunting choice. But it all would have been, he hasn't played in 3 years.
Yeah,
those are 2 no left turns. It's from 2 to 7 p.m. It is barely 6 o'clock.
but like he is a guy that just being there makes a difference. So yeah, you would think that every team, and I would be sure that Taves, he's been classed his whole career, and he's one of the.
Red light, Ron.
Text, including the text.
Damn, it took forever to turn red.
Reading a text is not a matter
Nice
of
cutoff.
excavating or extracting.
Once upon a time in a city so divine called Westside Compton, the little nigga, he was 5'something.
No stuff behind me.
It's dogs. People's dogs on these Substack blogs are so much
No,
fun.
that's
I
cut off.
love to try to be part of these things. Overtly can swear. Probably have too much coffee.
Husband sounds like a special guy. He's making other things.
Is the best husband anywhere. So it's great. So I know that.
What? Really?
It'll be 21 years that we've been married.
Screw brew.
What did you do for your 20?
We were in
Look,
Spain,
there's like a
and we
big
went
place
out
to
the
make a
desert. I
U-turn
said,
in
"This
there.
year
Go
we're
there.
going to the winery."
Why have to be on the street and in the way?
Together.
Right.
If we just leave the wasteful decadence we've grown accustomed to. I told my boss to shove it.
Fuck.
Jesus, I guess you're not coming back. But here's the thing. I come from the Netherlands. A white people factory.
Yeah, wave, yeah. Hi.
And
Fuck
extra
you.
option. But
The mission statement of this nonprofit is, Planting Peace is a global nonprofit organization founded for the purpose of spreading peace in a hurting world. They painted the exterior
What the
colors
fuck is this guy
of
doing?
the rainbow pride flag on it, and they called it Equality House. And then they liked
The hell are you
house
doing
so
this?
much, they bought the one next door and painted it the transgender pride flag. I love it.
What the fuck's this guy doing? What are you doing in the left lane?
They liked
The hell are you
house
doing
so
this?
much, they bought the one next door and painted it the transgender pride flag. I love it.
What the fuck's this guy doing? What are you doing in the left lane? You're barely going 40.